So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit price filters here on the realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up realtor.com. Once that is done, select an area that you're looking to, for houses in or for, whatever the case may be here. So let's go to the Sacramento area right here in California. Now, once that is done, if you want to edit the price filters, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the top left, press on filters, and then where it says price right here, you can go ahead and change your minimum to maximum. So if you're looking for a minimum, let's just say for no minimum, and your maximum, for example, is, let's go with $200,000. Once that is done, just go to the bottom right and press on see homes. And once that is done, it'll then refine your search and only show you listings that are in regards to your price point that you edited here on the filters tab in realtor.com. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit price filters here on the realtor.com mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.